me Mr. Chelappan Narayan. Narayan sir, welcome to Illus Technomedia.
Hello.
Sir, what do you think? What is the use of information and communication technology in modern day functioning, whether it is government sector or private sector?
Yeah. So simply put, ICTs have simplified our life, right? So it is if you look at on a corporate sector, it has enabled the collaboration, it has enabled the flow of information. Right? The similar way, if you look at the government sector, it has made life easier for the common people in terms of the governments are able to deliver the goods and services to the common person much more efficiently and much more faster manner with the use of ICTs. So ICTs, if you look at traditionally how it was, we were paying even an electricity bill to where how we are doing today. There's a lot of things, right? So you could do it online. So these things have been possible only because of ICTs, implementation of ICTs in the government space.
If we talk about cloud technology tools, which has been newly developed by Information and Broadcasting Ministry, Information and Communication Technology Department. So, do you think that with the use of cloud technology functioning in both the sector, government as well as private, could be faster?
Well, cloud is actually it's a what do you call it? It's a workload management system. Cloud is a way you manage your workload, right? So cloud is some of the benefits of cloud is things like you could do faster provisioning of systems. So typically any department, be it government or private, they used to take number of days to provision an infrastructure required for a project, right? With cloud technologies coming in, right, this could be reduced to number of hours. So from days to hours. So that is something which is coming. So the end users, or with the proliferation of ICT, you need to deliver faster service from a IT department perspective, and cloud makes it possible. So that's a layer to manage your workload. But what is more important also is that you need to ensure the applications also are able to scale up on those cloud. So that is where the more important part of cloud, I would say usage of cloud, is fully explored.
So you were here to attend a crucial summit on cloud technology organized by Illus Technomedia. So do you think that these kind of seminar should be organized across the country so that both private and public sector departments could be involved?
Certainly, because this provides a medium for us to connect with the end customers. This also gives us a medium for the potential consumers to come and evaluate, to understand what is the latest which is available in this this segment, in this in the market, right? So definitely you should continue to do similar events, and it's an opportunity for both of us. It's a win-win situation for consumers as well as people who are supplying those technologies to those consumers.